You on Facebook all day posting and you ain't get paid for none of that? None of that? None of them videos? What you doing? What you doing? What it do? YouTube? You know, here's the money coach, and I'm going to show you how to get paid from Facebook Reels. It's a great way to earn some extra cash, and it's really easy to get started. Let's get straight into it, 'cause I ain't got time to waste, and money is time. And I ain't gonna waste yours. Let's go. Step number one. The first thing you need to do is create a Facebook page if you don't already have one. I know you got one. Everybody posting on Facebook. But go ahead and set up one. Make sure it's a business page. A business page so you can monetize your reels. Okay? Step number two, create awesome reels. Facebook will pay you based on how many views your reels get. So it's important to make them entertaining and engaging. Step number three, once you got some great reels, it's time to monetize. Go to your Facebook page and click on monetization in the left-hand menu. Then click on get started under the in-streams ad section. Step number four, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your ad break account. You would need to connect your bank account or PayPal account to Facebook so they can pay you, so you can get that money. Now, step number five, once your ad breaks account is set up, go back to Facebook Reels and start posting. If your Reels meets the Facebook community standards, make sure you check that out and you are approved to get that money. Now, bonus tip right here. If you want some banging music, some sounds, go ahead and download Epidemic Sounds. My link below. It's affiliate. I get a little commission. You get a little change. Man, go ahead and post some banging sounds. They got sound effects and all kind of music. Now, step number five. Once you got your ad rank account set up, go back to your Reels and start posting. If your Reels meets the Facebook community standards and you are approved for monetization, you will start earning that money, okay? And that's it. Follow these simple steps and you can start getting that hustle on, that side hustle on it, earning some money from Facebook Reels. If you like any of the content that I provided, was it educational, informational, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe and let me know what I did wrong or what I did good and help your boy out. And remember, be blessed to invest in yourself.
Hey. They been on it, drum on the rail. I wrap it, I bag it, I pack it for sale. Got feeling on speed out of